John 6 verse 54 to 58. Those who eat my flesh and drink my blood have eternal life, and I will bring them back to life on the last day. My flesh is true food, and my blood is true drink. Those who eat my flesh and drink my blood live in me, and I live in them. The Father who has life sent me, and I live because of the Father. So those who feed on me will live because of me. This is the bread that came from heaven. It is not like the bread your ancestors ate. They eventually died. Those who eat this bread will live forever. Everybody is spiritually hungry. The world starves soulish due to spiritual junk food presented to them. They get dished up man's philosophy. It tastes like day-old French fries, dehydrated and void of any nutrition. The church will starve spiritually by clinging to old folks' tales, church culture and traditions, as well as denominational doctrines. The living Christ must occupy the center of your desire to feed the spirit and soul with the revelation of the Father. A personal relationship with Jesus reveals the Father in the Christ. Only the Spirit can feed and satisfy spirit in the relation to spiritual reality in and through the Christ body with Jesus as the head. We must feed off Jesus, the only begotten Son of God, concerning Father and His will. The Spirit Word manifested as the glorified flesh Jesus and revealed in His followers. Thank be to God. Every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess that Jesus is the Word made flesh, both in the natural and spiritual realms from the Father's bosom. We do not live of ancient spoken and written word. It is our guidelines, but we must live presently in the Spirit Word, the risen Jesus Christ, unto the glory of our Father.